Welcome back to Math Square. Today we will be reviewing simplifying rational expressions. The first one, we simplify. What times what gives us minus 9? In that case, it's x plus 3, x minus 3. Bring down the x minus 3. Cross out what looks familiar. That gives us x plus 3 as our answer. Next one. X squared plus 5x over x. We take out an x from outside, place another x inside, put the plus 5 inside, bring down the x, cross out what looks familiar. X plus 5 is our answer. Number 3, x squared minus 25 over x minus 5. X plus 5, x minus 5 gives us minus 25. Bring down x minus 5. Cross out what looks familiar. In that case, it's x plus 5, our answer. Number 4, x squared plus 6x. For this one, the top portion, we do star method, so we have to see what times what gives us plus 9, what times what adds up to plus 6. In that case, it's x plus 3 and x plus 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. Over x plus 3, cross out what looks familiar. The top from the bottom, x plus 3. Remember, you cannot cross 2 from the top and 1 from the bottom. That's not how it works out. From this one, what times what gives us 36? In that case, it's x plus 6, x minus 6. And for this one, we take x from outside and bring in the minus 6. Cross out what looks familiar, minus 6, x plus 6 over x. That is your answer. For this one, we need to find out what times what is minus 15, what adds to 2. In that case, it's x plus 5 and x minus 3. Bring down the x plus 5. Cross out what looks familiar. In that case, it's x minus 3, your answer. Number 7. For this one, we take out, we do not take out, we write 2x inside both parentheses. And then a plus 3 and a minus 3. It doesn't really matter where you put it, really. And then on the bottom, we do 2x minus 3, cross out what looks familiar. In that case, the answer is 2x plus 3. Number 8, x squared minus 2x. For this one, this is a similar one. We just change the signs. So for this one, it's x plus 3, x minus 5 over x minus 5. Cross out what looks familiar. X plus 3 is your answer. Number 9, 3x squared minus 12x over 3x. For this one, we take out 3x inside parentheses, x minus 4, because 3 times minus 4 is 12. And when we do distributive property, this is what you get. The bottom, write 3x, cross out what looks familiar. That leaves us with x minus 4 as your final answer. Last but not least, x squared minus 4x minus 21. What gives us minus 21, multiplied minus 21, and subtracts the minus 4, which is x minus 7 and x plus 3 over x plus 7 and x minus 7, because those two multiply to minus 49. Cross out what looks familiar. That leaves us with x plus 3 over x plus 7. That is your final answer for the last question. Hope you now know how to simplify rational expressions. Please like, comment, and below, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye. See you on the next YouTube.